How to turn on or turn off Auto-Join Wi-Fi on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the information button right next to the name of your Wi-Fi. And then tap on Auto-Join. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Auto-Join. When this is turned on and when you arrive at a familiar Wi-Fi network, your phone will automatically connect to that Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.